In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam mobile app needs access to camera to scan a QR code. If you opened the Steam app and saw a message saying it needs camera access to scan a QR code, it usually means camera permission was denied the first time the app asked for it. Don't worry, this is a quick fix, and you won't have to reinstall anything. We're simply going to turn that permission back on from your phone's settings. Start by opening your phone's main settings app. This is your device's system settings, not the Steam app itself. Once you're in settings, look for the section that manages your apps. Depending on your device, it might be labeled Apps, Applications, App Management, or App Manager. Tap that to see the list of installed apps. Now find the Steam app in that list. If there's a search bar at the top, typing Steam can save time. Tap Steam to open its App Info or App Details screen. Here, you'll see things like storage, notifications, and permissions. Go ahead and select Permissions. This is where your phone controls what Steam is allowed to use. Look for Camera in the list. If Camera is shown under Not Allowed or Denied, that's why the QR scanner isn't working. Tap Camera and then choose the option that grants access. On many phones, you'll see choices like Allow while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. Pick Allow or Allow while using the app. Either will let Steam use your camera when you're scanning a QR code. That's it for the fix. By turning on the camera permission here, you're simply telling your phone it's okay for Steam to use the camera for features like QR login. Without that permission, the app can't open the camera view, which is why you get the error message. Now, head back to Steam and try the QR scan again. The prompt should be gone, and you should see your camera preview open so you can point it at the code. If you're in a dim room, move to better lighting so the camera can focus quickly. Also, make sure the QR code is fully visible in the frame for the fastest scan. To recap in one line, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find Steam, open Permissions, select Camera, and set it to Allow. And there you go. Problem solved. That's all you need to do to get the Steam mobile QR scanner working again.